We both know this won't end good for you.
Let's see how long you can hold out.
You are cooked. He will die soon enough.
Good. I got away from G-Man.